Shurlock, backup you can count on. Shurlock is a new innovation for securing detainees in vehicles, correctional, and holding facilities. It was developed by a law enforcement officer to provide law enforcement professionals with a safe, reliable, cost-effective way to keep prisoners secure.
Shurlock products offer our officers a degree of safety that we've never had before. We use the products in the jail and in patrol vehicles. It gives our officers the ability to know that when they have secured an individual and then placed that individual in a specific location, that they're not going to go anywhere. One of the things that we've always worried a lot about in our booking procedure is once we bring somebody in and we set them down, we have to go to computers to do the entry and all of the information that's required in the process, and every agency does that. With the Shurlock system, we can put the person down on their bench, we can secure that person, and then we can give 100% of our attention to the computer and making sure that it's right, rather than looking over our shoulders constantly or paying attention to them and making sure that there's no furtive movements or anything that somebody might do to conceal potentially evidence or possibly be a threat to our officers.
The systems are designed with the safety of the officer in mind. Once locked, the securing strap immobilizes the subject, preventing assaults, damaged equipment, or escape. The officer remains in a position of control and also protects the prisoner from harming himself or others with no added discomfort or danger. Shurlock presents a non-intimidating appearance, but provides complete control. The securing strap comes out between the chair back and the seat cushion, so it can easily be tucked away out of sight as needed. It is ideal for use in patrol cars, detective vehicles, or canine units. The Shurlock system has been carefully designed so that it is extremely reliable and easy to use. The Shurlock securing strap extends and retracts much like a seatbelt, allowing the officer to easily clip it onto the handcuffs of the prisoner while in a standing position. As the subject sits down, the strap retracts back into the seat. The officer can activate or deactivate the lock using the convenient remote control. When you press the lock button, an audible click is heard as the lock engages, and a red light illuminates verifying that the unit is locked.
The Shurlock products are very cost effective. In the vehicles, it's a portable device that can be placed over the seat, so there's no drilling and there's no damage that's done to the vehicle, and that will increase the resale, which every department is concerned with at this point in time. In our jail, the bench, again, is movable and can be used in courts, but we use it in our booking area to secure people and make sure that they stay where we want them to be while we're doing the booking process.
The portable gives you all the utility of the rigid mount without being bound to one vehicle. It simply hooks over the back of the passenger seat so it can easily be transferred to another vehicle. Installation is minimal, requiring only wiring to a power source. The great thing about Shurlock restraint systems is that they are designed to fit in most vehicles and facilities. Shurlock, backup you can count on.